Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez from my Grid channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tatagyan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kakinapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, lig-lig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information po ano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. So this is something, the Seven of Cups. Oh, there is something opportunities, confusion. No, may mga bagay na para ka nalilito, naguguluhan. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong umpisahan, tanggapin, no, or kunin. This is something the Hierophant for a lesson learned. Dahil parang marami kang pinagdaanan this past few months or this past few weeks na maaaring kumbaga nagbigay kalituan sa utak mo. And this is a Seven of Swords with a sneakiness of cheating lying on you. Dahil, no, may trust issue ka, no, maaaring naloko ka, maaaring nabudol ka, no. And let's see what is additional messages. And this is something that I request. There's something offer. Natatakot ka na yung mga offer na darating sa'yo, maaari is a bluff. No? Maaaring ito ay hindi magandang eksena or nagsisinungaling or maaaring nililin lang, niluloko ka. No? Parang natatakot ka na, nagkaroon ka ng trust issue. And this is something that Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No? Parang maaaring natapon yung mga pinaghirapan mo, pinag-ipunan mo. And this is something the harvest moment. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ha? Mag-harvest ka rin at the end of the time. So this is a Ten of Swords with something as sabotage. No? Maaring nasabotahe ka, maaring naloko ka, nalinlang ka talaga. And this is something magician. Oh, see? There is something connected, no? With a magician. So maaring meron ako na sense dito guys ha. Meron akong nakita dito na maaring hypnotize, no? Mag-ingat po kayo ngayon January, no? Maaring maloko kayo, mabudol kayo, ma-hypnotize kayo. There's something the Hierophant represent with the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. No? Magiging maganda kalalabasan nito. Bago pa maganap tong eksena na to, alam mo na kagad yung mangyayari. So, parang nagkaroon ka na ng clues, and of course, parang signs, no? Mag-isip ka ng mga bagay na alam mong makakaiwas ka sa gano'n. Kunyari kapag itong tao na to, no? Kumbaga, iba, hindi mo siya kilala. Some of nowhere, kakausapin ka, tapos parang iba yung kwento niya. Huwag mo na siya kausapin, marunong ka dumedma. Lalo-lalo na kapag nasa ibang lugar kayo, guys, ha. Huwag kayo nag-entertain ng tao na hindi nyo nalabos kilala, no? So, let's see what is the Seven of Swords. Represent with the Two of Pentacles. So, this is something balance. So, kailangan maging balanse ka. Maging balanse ka, wag mo ipakita sa kanila na mabilis kang mauto. Ganon. Kumbaga, mabilis kasi yung kumbaga, yung approach nyo, no, sa tao. Kapag kinausap kayo, rin kayo, kumbaga, nagbibigay rin kayo ng information, ganyan, umiiwas kayo. No, this is something, the Five of Swords, the self-sabotage, no? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your actions. Diba, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo dahil hindi mo pinag-isipang mabuti yung mga gagawin mo. So, this is the Seven of Pentacles, represent with the Nine of Pentacles with the security. See, pangalagaan at protectionan mo yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Kung ayaw mong, diba, maubos. So, this is a Ten of Swords, because the Two of Wands by choices, no? Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, ha? May sense din ako dito, guys, na maaring there's something investment here, na maaring na mabudol at maloko ka. For additional messages for magician and of course now, the Seven of Cups. So this is something, Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big opportunity coming for you. May malaking finances na papasok dito o may malaking perang involvement dito guys pagdating sa investment. Mag-iingat ka ha, maaaring maano ka, kumbaga malinlang ka dito, and this is a Three of Swords, no? There is something painful ending na talagang maliliwalagan ka at malalaman mo to nga lang nangyari na, or may mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo na parang mauulit-ulit kaya mag-iingat ka na. No? Kasi na education, and of course there's something lesson with a Hierophant, ibig sabihin nangyari na siya, and this is the Three of Swords, something painful and ending na maaaring kumbaga maaaring matapos na, or maaaring kumbaga ito yung magdulot ng katapusan ng pera mo, gato ganyan. Kaya kumbaga there's the Sun card, ngayon pa lang binigyan ka na ng mas malinaw na utak at mas malinaw na kaisipan na may possible na maulit-ulit yung ganong scenario. So let's see what is the Seven of Swords, because the Two of Pentacles represent what? Represent with a judgment. For see, a warning. No, a judgment is a warning, or there's something divine intervention, paalala ng ating divine na you need to pay attention sa nangyayari sa paligid mo, 'di ba? So let's see what is the Knight of Cups, because the Five of Wands represent with the King of Pentacles. So this is something practicality and security. Mag-secure ka pagdating sa finances, mag-iingat ka at protectionan mo. No, hindi yung agad-agad mo. No, may nakita kong bank account dito guys, na magkaroon ka ng limit para at least magkaroon ka ng mga hallucination or something na parang hypnotize. Kumaga, hindi parang mauubos lahat ng mga ano sa'yo, pera mo, no? Kasi may araw yan no? May araw na, kumaga sa isang araw may limit lang yung, kumaga mawi-withdraw or else, diba? Mag-ingat ka, magkaroon ka ng limit, no? What is the Knight of, kasi parang meron ako dito na sense na mag-send ka ng pera, gato ganyan, no? Parang na ano ka, no? Parang na minadali ka, gano'n, niloko ka. And this is the Seven of Pentacles, and of course, the Knight of Pentacles represent what? With the Ten of Cups, something happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka dito. Now, what is the Ten of Swords, and of course, the Two of Wands. Okay, the Two of Wands. Okay, additional messages. So this is the Full card. See, tiwala. No, kasi masyado ka nagtiwala. Piliin mo yung taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's something the Full card for tiwala, faith, no, leap of faith, no? Piliin mo yung taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's a Ten of Swords with the sabotage. Oh, diba? What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Two of Cups with a partnership. It's all about partnership talaga, communications. And there's the King of Swords with the Stop the Pattern. No, putulin mo yung mga, mabilis ka kasing mapaniwala, no? Kumaga, there's the King of Swords that Stop the Pattern. Putulin mo kaagad yung mga ganong pag-uugali mo, no? Na mahilig ka kasing, makipag-usap sa mga taong hindi mo kilala. Mabilis, mo yung loob mo, parang, di ba, mabilis ka mapanatag, yun yung kailangan mong iwasan. Additional messages tayo for the outcome. And there's a Justice card with a balance, no? Maging balance at there's a something karma here, and there's a Four of Cups na re-evaluate or analyze. Pag-isipan mabuti, yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, there's something consequences, no? What is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career? Pagdating sa finances and career, nagre-represent with the Empress card for a revert, new home, or new project, and there's something new ventures na may bagong trabaho, negosyo. And this is something that's Two of Swords, there's a decision that you need to make. Na kailangan mo mag-decision dito, no, sa pipiliin mong negosyo. And there's a Star card for healing and recovery. Makaka-recover ka for finances and career. Na pagdating sa love life, anong chika? And there's a Devil card. No, meron ditong temptation, meron ditong abusive, there's a page of something and intuition. Ay, meron ditong gayuma ako na sense, guys. There's a gayuma, no, page of something and intuitions, and the Devil card, something and a negative energy, or either a black magic involved, na maginamit to sa palipad hangin. Oh. One more card, please, to clarify. And this is something that the Knight of Swords. Sleepless nights, hindi ka makatulog. Ay, gayuma talaga, balisa. Oo. Additional messages about sa health. And there's a Page of Pentacles. So something invest, no? Mag-invest ka ng mga protections mo sa sarili mo. And there's a Knight of Waters, something slowly but surely. Pero maging mabusisi ka, maging mahinahon ka, no, sa pagpili ng mga bagay na gagamitin mo. So let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. For synchronicities that represent what? Synchronicities represent reflections. See? Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay mag-reflect sa'yo or may nag-reflection na nagaganap sa inyong tahanan. Maaring may salamin ka na nakatapat sa higaan kaya nagkakaroon ng third party involved. And this is something artist. No, meron dito magaling magdrama, magaling na artista to ha. No, na maaring napapaikot ka niya. And this is something home. Nasa bahay nyo. Merong ahas. Additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. Oh my God, represent without triggers and of course conflict. May nagbibigay complication dito guys, no? And there's an ego. Alisin mo yung pride and ego mo guys, no? And because this is something surrender. Kailangan mapakawalan, bitawan at alisin. And this is something self-love. Kailangan mo mahalin yung sarili mo. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Represent a get some exercise. No, some of you guys, kailangan mo na exercise para circulate ng maayos yung blood mo, para magpawisan ka, mag-circulate yung utak mo na maayos, no? Makapag-isip ka na maayos. And this is something summer, no? Ngayong summer season. Na kailangan mo na more on activities, no? So let's see what is the romance angels represent what? Romance angels are represented with the twin flame. No, meron talagang parang pinagtagpo talaga dito para sa isa't isa. There's something soul ties. And there's a compromise. Meron talagang pinangako. Oh, may mga pinangako dito na maaari magpabago ng eksena mo. So let's see what is Archangel Michael. Decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo mag-desisyon, magiging masaya ka ngayon. And energy healing works, no? Talagang unti-unti nang gagaling or kailangan mo ng healing session, guys. Additional messages for the chakra messages. And there is something complacency, you know? Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. And there is something abundance. Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito, guys. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent with the crystals. Oh my God! Crystals, gemstones, protections, and there's a spiritual teacher. Kailangan mo talaga ng albularyo dito, guys, so. So, kailangan mo ng healing sessions. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Archangel Raphael messages, divine intervention. See? Paalala. Diba? Binibigyan ka ng paalala na you need to pay attention and having faith. Diba? Kailangan mo magtiwala. So, let's see what is additional messages sa ating angel spirit guides. And there's a trouble, guys. Some of you may trouble dito na magaganap. And of course, this is something summer, ngayon summer season with something taking action. Kikilos at gagalaw ka na ngayong summer season. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there's a doubt. Alisin mo yung pag-aalilangan na ha, yung pagdadalawang isip, no? And this is something regret. No, kung ayaw mo pagsisiyan yung mga bagay na mangyayari. Kasi hindi mo na siya mababalik pa. For a Monsology, represent what? Communication is the key. So, meron ditong communication talaga na maayos. No? Kailangan mo pakipag-communication maayos and take your time to breathe out. No? Kailangan mo pag-isipan. Kailangan mo ng oras para pagmunihan bago ka mag-take ng action for additional messages with an angel spirit. And because this is something big pictures. No? Lagi mo titignan yung possibilities. No? And because this is something the golden children with a rare grip. No? Meron kang gift with the universe na maaring malakas ang pakiramdam mo, malakas ang senses mo. No, this is something messenger. Maaring nananaginip ka, guys, no? Pinapasok to sa panaginip mo or daydreams, no? And there's a vision and intuitions. For the energy represent what? And there's a second chakra Archangel Ariel about sa finances, no? Ginagabayan ka ng ating Archangel Ariel. And there's an angel of love, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong gabayan about sa pag-ibig. Or kumbaga, nandito ang ating gabay pagdating sa pag-ibig. Kumbaga, pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan kayong dalawa. And there's a walking away. Kailangan mo nang kumawala at lumaya, no? Just a toxic environment. For the angels, answer represent what? Abundance. Double clarification na may abundance talaga. Within the next few months, no? Talagang ngayong susunod na buwan, no? Maaaring ito na yung kasaganahan na maaaring mag-umapaw. For our romance angels, represent what? And there's a give your relationship a chance. Na pagdating sa pag-ibig, bigyan mo raw ng chance ang sarili mo. No? Or either your partnership. And there's a keep an open mind. Kailangan buksan mo yung isip mo for the possibilities. Kasi maraming factor bakit nangyayari yung kaguluhan sa inyong relasyon. Na maaaring kaya siya nagbago dahil may ginawa sa kanya, diba? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. represent we don't heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the kingdom of God is coming to you. So, pagagalingin ng ating Panginoon, yung mga bagay karanasan na mga pinagdaanan mo, bago mo makita ang talagang regalo ng universe o ng ating Panginoon sa'yo. Let's see what is an angel's number, represent what? Angel's number, represent a 14, represent a light up. No? Kumbaga, ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon para magkaroon ka ng something respect to yourself and quality, family, constructive outlook, focus on your needs. Desires and hobbies, everything is more accessible. With a light attitude, you will be blessed with a new opportunities, a new friend or addition to your family. Good vibes and speed up the process. So see, bibilis yung takbo ng eksena na to. Kailangan na, kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng respeto sa sarili mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kailangan pakawalan yung mga nagbibigay negatibo, linisin yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. There's something in toxic environment. Kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng boundaries sa sarili mo, na huwag ka masyadong maniniwala basta-basta sa mga bagay na wala kang kasiguraduhan. So, let's see what is messages of life. Represent what? Messages of life represent discovering. So, unti-unti mo na madi-discover, makikita, lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari. And this is something to say, I release my old beliefs, conviction, and preconceived notion in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greatest worth inside me. Unti-unti mo matutuklasan sa sarili mo yung kahalagahan ng sarili at kahalagahan ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan. Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, kailangan proteksyonan mo at pangalagaan kung ayaw mong maagaw sa'yo. No, pagdating sa love life, pangalagaan at proteksyonan, huwag mong hayaan masapawan at maungasan ka ng ninuman. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capricorn, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. At kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!